Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the most important concepts in Python programming, that is for loop. A loop is used when we want to repeat a block of code multiple times. Instead of writing the same code again and again, loops helps us to do work automatically. The for loop is Python. The for loop in Python is used to go through a sequence one item at a time. A sequence can be a list or a string or a tuple or a range of numbers. And the basic syntax for the for loop is for variable in sequence, semicolon, and the statement which we are going to give in the for loop. Here, for, for, for this is the keyword. Variables store each value temporarily. In connects the variable and sequence, and the statement is the code that repeats. We can see the example for the for loop in the first slide. Output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the range of the numbers which we are printing is 1 to 5. Here Python starts from 1 and prints each number one by one until 5. Now let's take another example using a string. For the each character in text, print character. Then the characters of the string, like each each character will be printed as output, like P, Y, T, H, O, N. This shows that for loop can also go through each character inward. This saves time and makes program shorter and smarter. For the second slide, working of the for loop. The loop takes one value at a time from the sequence, executes the code, then moves to the next value. This process continues until all items are completed. We can also see the example like numbers is equals to 10, 20, 30, and 40. Total equals to 0. For n in numbers, total equals to total plus n. Then the output will be 100. Finally, the total becomes 100. Now, another useful example we can see in the slide 2. This is how loops help automate repetitive tasks. The most commonly used sequence in for loop is range. Range generates numbers automatically. We have seen in the before examples like range function. For loops are used in printing patterns, tables, lists, and data processing and more. So today we have learned about what if for loop is and syntax, how it works, and practical examples. This is one of the most powerful concepts in the programming because loops are used almost everywhere. Keep practicing and happy coding.